goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, I got a quick little grocery haul. I went to the store just to pick up a few things, so this is not really big. But now understand, I go to the grocery store a lot during the week, and I don't always film all of it because I did go the other day and made a bigger haul. But child, it was just too cold climbing up those steps, get the stuff in the house to do a grocery haul. So I got up this morning, I had to go get a few more things. So I decided to go ahead and do this haul. So here's everything I bought today. I think I probably spent about, maybe about $80-ish. So I picked up some Yoplait yogurt. I got 3. I got the raspberry, strawberry cheesecake. And my favorite is the lemon, so I picked that up. Got a 12 count of eggs. Bananas. Hopefully I won't let these go bad. I always buy bananas, but I never seem to eat them. But I'm very hopeful this time. Got a box of Kleenex, and I got these for work. They do provide them for us at work, but baby, it'd be a month of Sundays before we get them. So guess what? God blesses the child that got his own. So I always get my own Kleenex. I got these, this crystal. This is, I think, my first time buying these. I actually got these to mix up and go in this spray bottle to kind of make a scent as a refresher. Gonna add some hot water to them and let them dissolve in this bottle. So I picked that up. Got a car freshener. Why it's in the house, I don't know why. I didn't put it in the car when I was in the car. But I'll do that when I go to work this afternoon. Got a thing of Gain. Normally I get I think it's like a spring scent, but they didn't have it. So I picked this one up. Got a little thing of Clorox because I don't really use Clorox a lot, but I do like to have it around the house. Got one of these little Glade things to put in my closet. Then I got me a thing of Baker's Joy because I plan on cooking a cake. I may cook it tomorrow, I'm not really sure, but I do plan on cooking a cake soon. So while it was on my mind and I can remember, I picked this up. And then I saw this on TikTok. They were making sandwiches with these, so I picked this up while it was on my mind, because if I don't do it while it's on my mind, I'll forget it and then have to go to the store again and walk in Walmart just to get one thing. You know, the total end up being about $40-50. So let me get it while I'm there. Then I picked up some Worcestershire sauce because I was making a recipe and I actually didn't have any. So once again, it was on my mind. Let me pick it up. All right. And I got 2 things of these allergy pills. They're like 88 cents at Walmart, but they're actually really, really good. And a lot of times they're sold out of them. So once again, while it was on my mind, I picked them up. And I just got like 2 boxes. These will last me a long time. And then I picked up these little treat bags because I'm going to make my coworkers at my part-time job some of that candy. So I'm going to probably do that today, but I'm not going to film it because I have a whole video that's dedicated to that. And I definitely will link it below if you want to see that video on me making the white trash candy. But this time I'm going to make it a Valentine's Day theme. So yeah. Then I picked these up, the white linen. I actually wanted to go to Sam's and get them because they had them on sale for like $7. And of course, you know, the container that you get at Sam's is bigger. But when I looked online this morning, they were all sold out. So I was like, let me just pick them up at Walmart. Also got some clean linen air freshener just to kind of boost the scent that's in the air wicks. So pick that up. Picked up some buttermilk while I was at the store because I'll probably do a recipe with some cornbread because if the weather stays like it is, I think I'm going to make me some beef stew. So, of course, you want some cornbread muffins with it. Picked up me just this little thing of water so when I'm at work, I'll already have some water. And it's already in a tall container so that I can definitely get my hydration in that helps the skin. So... of course, got this drink, a little drinky. So yeah, pick that up, and it's the strawberry flavor. This is really, really good if you haven't tried it. I haven't tried a flavor that I didn't like. I did pick up the strawberry today because they only had strawberry, margarita, and mango. So I got strawberry because I hadn't had it in a while. And then I picked up this random plastic glass, just to probably make me a iced coffee. I really wanted glass, but I couldn't justify paying the price for the glasses at Walmart when I know the $1.25 store right up the street. But of course, I didn't feel like going there, so I picked that up. Then for the candy I'm gonna make, I picked up some white chocolates and got this one. Then I picked up a block of mozzarella cheese because one day next week, Paige and I are gonna make a homemade pizza. So I'm gonna shred the cheese up to go on the pizza. Then picked up a thing of Yoplait yogurt, just as a snack. Put some granola and some fresh fruit on it. And then, y'all, I got me a Scrub Daddy. Now, baby, for the price of these Scrub Daddies, this about to be my sugar daddy, okay? This my sugar daddy right here. This him right here. Here he go. Here he is. Okay, my sugar daddy. All right. And then I picked up a couple of snacks. I got the strawberry all pink. I got the Twix. Now, I know this might sound crazy, but I only eat the left Twix. They probably taste both the same, but for some reason, in my mind, the left side tastes better. So got that. Then I got me some Mound bars. These will probably last me a long time, so got those just to go in my refrigerator in my room. Then I picked up this honey bun. Yeah. And I also got this taco mix because I plan on fixing tacos one day soon. Then I got this Jiffy corn mix because I think it was TikTok I saw it on, but she made like a sweet potato cornbread using the Jiffy mix, so I definitely want to try that. You know what? I may do that with the beef stew. Not sure. Stay tuned. Also picked up this guacamole salsa. I love this. It's so good on your tacos. I haven't had it in a month or two, but I decided to pick that up as well. Got some Crunch and Munch. Then I got a couple of boxes of cereals. I got the Honey Bunch Vanilla. I got 2 boxes of this. And then I got these Cheerios. They're so cute, the little heart kind of Cheerios to go in my white trash. So I'll be using those. And then I got the rice checks also to go into the white trash candy that I'm gonna make for my coworkers. And y'all, I think that's all I picked up. Oh, I also picked up this pan because I also may have to make some brownies for my niece. I don't know that I'll get that done today or tomorrow, but I'm gonna make her some brownies. So y'all, that's everything I picked up today at Walmart. So yeah, that's it.
I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch? Yeah. Look at me, I'm on. Yeah. Look at me, I'm on. Yeah. Look at me, Look at me, can't stop. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. OMG, I don't get pressed. Look at me. I've been on set since 17. I've been on set, unsettling. I'm going numb, amphetamine. I don't do drugs, I'm not a fiend. Push to the edge, no boundary. About 2 or 3 in these leather jeans. Look at me, flex, tatted my flesh. Never end, dead. Now I'm up next. Here for those checks, plenty flows. Wet. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm next. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Tonight I come alive. You been a dud, you been a vibe. You been in hiding, you been inside. I'm like a farmer, I'm outside. Don't share locations, I'm on the grind. I do my dance, hammer time. 1, 2, 2 step. 1, 2, 2 checks. Long nights I was cold. I'm the one before the bag. Money come and see the flow. What I show is what I own. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Different record, but it's relevant. Show the L's like I show the wins. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never.
Now, JD, don't be disrespectful. Say good evening to our family. Family, JD, say good evening.
All I wanted was to be alone. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out.
Hey y'all, just wanted to come in and close out the video. Once again, also want to announce the winner of the giveaway. I'll go ahead and post her picture right here or over here. But once again, I want to thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. Please be sure to tell your cousin them, your mama them, your grandmama them, your uncle them. Hell, we'll take any one of the names. Just tell them to make sure they subscribe to the channel, because there will be many more giveaways in the future. We're on the road to 500. Oh, Lord, I almost said 500K. But guess what? Anything is possible. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.